Welcome to this introduction to Amazon SES Mail Manager. In this session, we'll explore the powerful capabilities of Mail Manager designed to enhance your email workflows with seamless integration and robust security features. Let's dive in and discover how Mail Manager can streamline your email operations. I'm Zip, and I'm joined by my friend and colleague Pavlos. We're both solution architects, and we specialize in Amazon's Simple Email Service, or SES. Today, we'll introduce you to the key features of Mail Manager. We'll highlight various customer use cases, and we'll guide you on how to effectively manage your email infrastructure. By the end of the session, you'll have a solid understanding of how to leverage Mail Manager to streamline and enhance your email operations. As you may know, Amazon SES supports a wide range of outbound email use cases, including application emails, shipping notifications, newsletters, account changes, and promotional content. Our many SES customers trust the service to help them deliver email at scale reliably and cost-effectively. SES also offers email receiving capabilities. However, our customers have frequently requested more robust features for inbound emails. In response to this feedback, we developed the Mail Manager feature set. Mail Manager provides greater control over inbound email at scale, enabling more comprehensive and effective email management. Customers often face challenges managing the vast amount of email traffic within their enterprises. While they're aware of email applications, internal mail relays, and postfix servers, they usually only have control over parts of this infrastructure. Typically, end-user inboxes get the most attention due to the critical nature of person-to-person email. However, many services involve application-to-person or even application-to-application email, which are much more complex and randomized. Different departments may set up dedicated applications and servers with varying policies, often involving third-party providers. This leads to increased complexity and risk. Mail Manager addresses this by providing an easy way to gain control over all email traffic, centralizing management tools, and adding features from AWS or trusted third parties. We used our expertise in handling over 1 trillion messages annually to develop robust, stable, and secure tooling for comprehensive email management. By centralizing email management, Mail Manager simplifies the control and monitoring of email flows across your organization, making it easier to manage even the most complex email infrastructures.
Thank you, Zip. Let's talk about security. Inbound emails vary, ranging from legitimate to potentially harmful ones. It's crucial for organizations to be able to go through incoming emails and filter out those that don't meet their security standards. In this slide, we will follow the flow of inbound emails while introducing Mail Manager features with a focus on security. So let's assume you want to bolster email security for the accounting department. The accounting department receives invoices from suppliers, and it's important to block or quarantine malicious emails or emails that don't meet certain security standards. The Mail Manager journey starts with an ingress endpoint which receives emails, and it comes into two flavors. The first one is an open ingress endpoint, where email sent to your domain resolves directly to your ingress endpoint with no authentication required. The second one is an authenticated ingress endpoint, which processes emails sent to your domain from authorized senders with whom you've shared your SMTP credentials, such as your on-premise email servers. An ingress endpoint, irrespective of its type, needs to be associated with what we call a traffic policy. Within the traffic policy, you determine which emails you want to allow or block. For example, in our case, we might want to block emails that have a TLS version lower than 1.2 and originate from an IP range of a country where we don't have suppliers in. The next step is to go through a rule set. Think of a rule set as a container of an ordered set of rules that you create to perform actions on your email. Each rule consists of one or more conditions that can be applied to a set of properties such as mail from, subject, SPF, DKIM, and 11 others. If the email meets the conditions, it proceeds to one or more actions. So in our case, we can check if SPF and DKIM equals to pass, and accordingly send the email to the accounting department. Let's move now into what we call email add-ons, which is a collection of specialized security tools from SES approved providers that can be used to manage the type of email you allow into your Ingress endpoint and to determine actions to be taken on certain types of email. At the moment of this video being recorded, Mail Manager offers 3 add-ons. The first one is Trend Microvirus Scanning, which is a powerful file scanning engine that classifies files as malicious, suspected, or safe, ensuring robust protection against threats. The second one is Abusix Mail Intelligence, which proactively blocks over 99.6% of email threats, providing a reliable first line of defense with minimal false positives. And the third one is Spamhaus Domain Block List, which rejects messages from domains with poor reputation, which enhances email security by preventing suspicious emails from entering your system. Let's now talk about email archiving. In certain industries, it's mandatory to store both incoming and outgoing emails for compliance purposes. With Mail Manager, you can archive the emails you specify coming into your Ingress endpoint, as well as providing a way to find your archived messages through a rich set of advanced search filters and the ability to export the results. Mail Manager's archiving feature is part of the rule set actions and can be combined with other actions depending on your requirements. For example, in our case, the accounting department might want to archive emails whose subject contains invoice and store to an S3 everything else. For flexibility, you can set up multiple archives to store emails ranging from a 3-month retention period to permanent storage and encrypt them using your own encryption key. This is a screenshot of the archiving feature on the SES console. Searching for archived emails is simple. You can use filters based on sender, recipient, CC, subject, and attachments present. Archiving actions can also be taken programmatically via the SES Email Manager API or SDK. Some of the actions include creating, deleting, getting, exporting, getting a message, or its content. The third and last use case for Mail Manager in this video is Route, Process, and Automate. Emails carry a wide range of content and can be addressed to either a person or a program. For instance, the accounting department might receive emails containing invoices that need to be added to an invoicing system before they are processed for payment. With Mail Manager, you can identify emails with attachments and store them in an Amazon S3 bucket. Using S3 event notifications, you can invoke an AWS Lambda function to read these emails and attachments. After processing them with custom code, the invoices can be added to the invoicing system, automating data entry. Considering that Mail Manager rule set can have multiple actions, emails with attachments will also be sent to Amazon Workmail, allowing accounting employees to double-check that the invoice entry in the invoicing system has been done correctly. You can extend Mail Manager's functionality by utilizing additional AWS services such as Amazon Bedrock, which can be used to classify emails based on their content. I will pass it now back to my colleague Zip.
To get started with Amazon SES Mail Manager, read our blog posts. Then review your organization's email flows. Select one workflow to onboard. Choose something that's not mission critical, but important. Configure that email workflow to run in Mail Manager and evaluate the results. Then you can prioritize and migrate other email flows. This step-by-step approach will help you maximize the benefits of Mail Manager. We're here to help you on your journey with Amazon SES Mail Manager. We offer a range of resources, including our launch announcements, very detailed documentations, and the messaging blog posts. These resources can provide information you need to get the most of Mail Manager, but if you need additional help, don't hesitate to reach out to your account team or use the comments section. Thanks very much and good luck.